Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, kule video namuhla ngifisa ukuveza ukuthi lento ebishiwo uCIC njengoba bebekhuluma lapha eParliament mayelana nendaba kaTrump nama-aid lawa kawakhathile funding yonke leze South Africa ukuthi yonke lento eshiwo uCIC ibiyiqiniso. Nginobufakazi balokho ukuthi ibiyiqiniso. Lo i-CEO ye-AfriForum Mr. Kreli ukunepost ayibhalile lapha ende nje wayese attach imessage ebhalwe Donald Trump. uJulius Malema urespondile kuleyo post leyo. Sizoqala ke sifunde imessage kaDonald Trump, size ngemessage kaKreli, size ngeresponse kaJulius Malema bese silanda ivideo ezosifakazela ukuthi lento athi show CIC njengoba bekakhuluma eParliament ibiyiqiniso yonke. No, lo muntu kwenye level uthi South Africa iba yimbi ekakhulukazi kuma-farmers kwi-country bathatha umhlaba nama-farm kuningi nje okubi kunalokho. Uthi indawo embi ukuba kuyo manje and bayayiqeda yonke i-federal funding eze-South Africa futhi ukuthatha isinyathelo esiyaphambili noma yiphi ifama nomndeni wayo esuke eSouth Africa efuna ukuthi ihambe iye kunoma yiliphi izwe ngezathu zokuphepha baba invite ukuthi abeze United States bazobavulela indlela ukuze bathole i-citizenship. Leyo process leyizoqala immediately khona manje. Oshuthi sebekhululekile ke bangaya e-United States bazofike bathole i-citizenship le babe ngabakhona. Ubhale kanjena ke uKreli yena wase attach le message. Ipost le ibhalwe uKhali Kreli uthi Justin Trump's invite farmers to the USA. Ifundeka kanjena uPresident Donald Trump uconcern ngesafety yama-farmers eSouth Africa, yabalimi eSouth Africa, futhi lokho ku-understandable njengoba i-ANC government inqaba ukuclassifya ukubulawa kwama-farmers njengama-crime lawa abalekile ayi-priority. Umhlaba uyayikubona ukuthi uPresident Ramaphosa akazimisele ukulwa nestatement esithi kill the Boer, futhi uyakuphika ukuthi kukhona ukubulawa kwabalimi okungukuthi esikhathini esiningi kufaka phakathi nokuthotshara. Kwi-paragraph number 3 ubhala ukuthi i-ANC kanye nalabo ebambisene nabo kwi-GNU kufanele bathathe responsibility ngokufuduka kwama-farmers beya e-USA. Lokho kuzophetha ngokuthi eSouth Africa kube ne-loss kwi-food security. Bathi ke-AfriForum izoqinisa ama-effort wabo ukwenzela ukuthi ama-farm murderers adeclare as a priority, futhi bazoqhubeka nokulwa ne-violence against ama-farmers kanye nama-Afrikaners and bazo-expose ukuthi bazonweba i-network yabo namazwe lawa ngaphandle nama-farm watches ukuthi asize ukuvikela ukuthi basivikele kakhulu kunakuqala. Bathi AfriForum ihlonipha wonke umuntu omlimi nelungelo lakhe, kuyilungelo lakhe ukuthi adecide ukuthi yena ufunani ngempilo yakhe, kodwa njenge-organization abazisoli ukuthi balwela futhi bakhanda ikusasa lemphakathi yabo kanye nesizukulwane la e-Southern Tip of Africa. Kuyo le post ekade ebhale kuyo uKreli uphendule kanje uJulius Malema wathi hamba khaya haka. Kanti Elon Musk yena ubhala ukuthi iStarlink asivumelekile ukuthi si-operate eSouth Africa ngoba akekho mnyama. uKreli wase attach lo reposta lo post wasebhala kanjena ukuthi olunye uhlobo lwe-racism no-discriminate against ama-Afrikaners kanye nabamhlophe in general and part and parcel ANC-led government lama policies enzeke eSouth Africa. Lokhu kuveza ngokusobala ukuthi AfriForum iyisitha se-equality la eSouth Africa. Isitha sayo ngempela ngoba lento ye-racism njengoba ayesho uCIC no-Professor Thuli Madonsela ushilo wathi into banenkinga nayo manje ukuba ama-ordinary citizen. Ilo nto leyo abangayifisi akukuyibona yenzeka ngoba i-apartheid yenza ukuthi bazibone bengcono noma bebakhulu kunabamnyama. Asicaphuneke ivideo ezoba ubufakazi ukuthi lento ade ishiwo u-CIC ziyiqiniso. Ngicela uzwe la.
If anything, people want to blackmail us about aid and all sorts of things. But they know very well that there is no reason related to any wrongdoing by South Africa which has led to USA cutting its own aid. You can't say Donald Trump must be elected today and the following day he makes executive orders, and then you come here and blame the South African government as if the South African government did not do anything in between. That was a predetermined outcome where he wanted to come into office and punish South Africa for its position on Palestine and many other issues.
We've heard that tragic news, and that is why we are so frustrated with ANC leaders and President Ramaphosa for the way they have attacked the US by siding with countries such as Iran, that they have taken an anti-American stance in their foreign policy, that they disrespect property rights, that they discriminate against the human rights of Afrikaners. And all those things we know leads to the fact that the US wants to act. So President Ramaphosa and ANC leaders need to take full responsibility for this negative consequences of their own actions. You see, the thing is they try to evade taking responsibility. Now they're looking for a scapegoat. It's
Mawulalela kahle lama video mabili uyayiconfirm uGreatland ukuthi lento show siyayisika ukuthi hayi uTrump ubevele neagenda. Kodwa into emsusa kakhulu ukuthi iSouth Africa isuke yasayida nalamazwe njengabo Iran. Ilonto leyo manje ukerela ukuthi South African government funeka ithathe responsibility. Sengiyasibona istatement sika president esithi will not be bullied. Ushilo uCIC wathi akufanelanga abantu basebenzisa i-aid befuna ukuthi basilawule thina ezweni lethu ukuthi izinto ofuna zizenze kanjani. Okusho ukuthi sengiyayibona into show CIC ukuthi iUSA isebenzisa le aid ukuthi iSouth Africa funeke ihambe namapha amazwe ibe nokudla namapha amazwe yenze ine ngasikhathi sino uma ingakwenzi lokho izoyikhatha le aid asiphinde sicaphone futhi.
We must be very clear that we are not going to agree to any form of bullying by anyone. It's a lie that there is farm killings in South Africa. Actually, those who are married in farms and owning farms, they kill each other for money, for policy monies. The farmers themselves kill each other for greedy reasons. The farm workers kill the farmers because they rape them in exchange for money and do not pay them, like Eugene Terreblanche did when he raped a farm worker and did not want to pay. We cannot be told that there are farm murders in South Africa when the farmers themselves are actually killing the farm workers. It was the white farmers who killed 2 women in Polokwane and fed them to the pigs. It's a complete lie that white people are being killed in South Africa.
Njengoba besho siyayisi ukuthi ngamanga ukuthi kunama-farmers abulawayo kodwa ama-farmers abulalana wona wodwa ngezathu zokuba greed. Okwesibili bayabulalana bona ngoba befuna imali lezi zamapholisi. Uma ubheka le post engiyi-attach la iveza owesifazane ekuthiwa ubulale le ndoda le uboshiwe lo wesifazane uboshela icala elihlangane nemeda ngoba wayabulala le ndoda ngomhla ka-7 October 2020 nangomunye owabulawa. Kodwa la kuthiwa unkosikazi uyasolakala ukuthi wahlela ukubulawa kwale ndoda le eyifama. Yize zona izathu lezi eshow CIC ukuthi labantu bayabulalana bona bodwa bayaboshwa lamakhosikazi ngoba besola ukuthi bayabulalana. Akunamafama abulawayo ngamanga leyo nto leyo. Nangu lo mlungu usiyayisika ibhondeli usiyayisade ekhuluma ngalo owabulala abesifazana ababili base South Africa wathatha imizimba yawo wayoyipha ingulube. Ukade sekhala la enkantolo uzama nje ukuthi abamzwele. Yizo lezi zinto lezi athi uJulius Malema zingamanga abafuna ukuthi kuthathwe lezi zinto zenziwe ama-priority cases. Kade kune uMinister Senzo Mchunu ekhipha ama-stats there's only one farmer obulewe, one, from October till January, one.
Our actions is aimed at trying to solve the situation. When we speak to people, yesterday we had a meeting at Congress, and we were told that they have been monitoring what is happening in South Africa for a number of years, also under the Biden administration. They actually gave us a list of what the issues are that they've seen. So it's not a free forum now that comes to the fore and tell them things that they did not know. For instance, we were told yesterday in Congress that the video of Julius Malema chanting "Kill the Boer," kill the farmer, that video has been circulating within the people that are the circles of the people that are in charge. So they've seen what is happening, and they have already last year. You know that there was a bill placed on in Congress with regard to revising the ties with South Africa, and we also within Solidarity came to the US to urge them not to kick South Africa out of AGOA, but they said to us, even if they don't want to, AGOA requires respect for property rights, AGOA requires respect for human rights, AGOA requires a country should not act directly against the interests of the US. And we need to solve those things. That is why we are here. Those politicians and even the ambassador here, if they think they're going to solve this by just saying, you know what, this is just a big misunderstanding or this is misinformation, they will fail. And if they fail, it's to the detriment of all of us. We believe they should take full responsibility and say, we will relook at specific foreign policy. They don't have to side with the US. India is part of BRICS as well as a good relationship with the USA. And that's in the interest of their people. In the interest of South African people, we should not get involved in these fights. We should make sure that we put our people first. We should not, when we know...
la isenzo sabo, ama-actions wabo la bazama ukusolve i-situation. Kodwa futhi i-ANC government funeka ithathe responsibility, yenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ayiphambani ne-America, ngoba uma iphambana ne-America izozithola seyikule nkinga esikuyo manje ukuthi kukhathwe yonke funding ephuma e-America eza eSouth Africa. Ilento kade ishiwo CIC ukuthi akungasetshenziswa i-aid le ukuthi kucontrolwe izwe leli. Akusetshenziswa i-aid ngoba kubanjiswana kusetshenziswana, hayi kodwa ukuthi kube yiyo esizokwenza ukuthi America itshele iSouth Africa ukuthi ayilibuse kanjani izwe lapho. Ilento yenza ukuthi mangibuka le video ngathi hayibo, le nto ishiwo CIC yonke biyiqiniso, nangu uKrele seconfirm. Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section ukuthi wena ngokwakho ubona kanjani. Mhlambe mina ngizwe wrong, mhlambe wena uzozwa ngenye indlela, kodwa ngendlela engizwa ngayo lento eshiwo CIC ilento eyenzeka ngqo ukuthi lama 8 noma ebenalo usizo kodwa beweze ngoba ezolawula ukuthi iSouth Africa ayenzeni ngasikhathi sini. Izona sizathu engisizwile ushiloko u-CIC kwinkulumo yakhe, noma ngoba ngidlalile kwivideo edlulile angeke ngiyiphinde yonke la athe khona into emjabulisayo ukuzwa uMinister of Health uDr Aaron Motsoaledi ethi bazama ezinye indlela manje zokuthi bakwazi ukureplace le aid. Uthi ke sengathi zingaqina lezo indlela lezo ukuze iAmerica izokwazi ukuthi akufanelanga ilawule iSouth Africa. Konke lokho ke bengithi angikulethe kuwe bese wena uyadecide ukuthi uthini. Kodwa nje AfriForum isizivezile ngokusobala ukuthi isitha kahle kahle seSouth Africa. Asazi noma ba proud na ukuthi kukhathwa ama-8 sekukhona abantu abangeke bawathola ama-ARVs ngenxa yalento ezenzekayo. Asazi noma ibona iyona into abayilwelayo bona leyo na, ukubona iSouth Africa isokole noma ukubona iSouth Africa progress yaphambili. Asazi kodwa izenzo zabo zibaveza njengabantu abayisitha sothi South Africa Progress. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula khona comment section below.